Ladies and gentlemen, sijui kama mmesikia ama bado. Imefika huko kwenu. Anyway, it has been a common conversation in the mouth of many, or many have heard that people are suggesting Babu Owino should start his own political party. He should ditch ODM. But I tend to believe that Babu Owino is one of the brightest politicians we have in Kenya. He knows what it takes to build a political party, and he knows how a political party can be fought. On my own opinion and assessment, I've come to realize that Babu Owino cannot and is not ready, or even I don't think if he is capable of starting a political party now. Here are some of the reasons that I think Babu Owino cannot make a successful political party. One, ODM, as so many people perceive, is it was Raila Odinga. It is partially true, but I cannot say that the trades that ODM has taken up to today, it is just Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga tried so much to build a very big vehicle that can live beyond him. We can agree or not, but the truth of the matter is ODM today stands to be the strongest political party more than any other political party. Here are some of the results. The fight within ODM. Is it really a fight? As I explained before on my previous video, that my belief is that it wasn't. Then the question that I could have asked is, imagine kama Oburu Odinga angechaguliwa kuwa kiongozi wa ODM, alafu kila mtu anyamaze, he wouldn't have been that popular as he is now. We used to see just Oburu Odinga, not a fighter, not a crowd puller, but currently he is doing the best he can do to make sure people stay entertained at his rallies, to make sure that he is doing whatever he is doing. Supposedly he wouldn't be being fought. No one could have known that this guy has got such a capability. I think he has improved immensely. So many people say that ODM is dead. ODM is dead when Raila Odinga died. But I tend to differ with them because nikikuuliza how best is Rigathi Gachagua against Oburu Odinga, how best it is all the age. How best is Kalonzo Musyoka against Oburu Odinga? It is only the tribe, and the tribe and how long he has stayed in the helm of leading Wiper. Also, those are the only political parties you can compare with the leadership that is currently today in ODM. Two, back to Babu Owino. Starting a political party with little fundings, with also little cash that you have, it can be a cost. Imagine employing secretariat. Some might volunteer, but there is a cost at some extent. So I come to believe that it will be a wise thing for Babu Owino to remain in ODM, fight within ODM, popularize himself enough, and coming up with people, like-minded people. Currently, they tried something different for the young thugs within ODM and the like-minded, and they called themselves Kenya Moja. Do you know how Kenya Moja was fought? Imagine just by Gadoni Mshomba. It has finished Kenya Moja only by Gadoni Mshomba. Imagine now how Babu Owino can be fought within Luo Nyanza by the deeply rooted, deeply financed, and the highly supported ODM party. That is my take. I plead with you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me. Leave a comment. Don't forget to share your thoughts.